Which town are you from?
I'm from Tekina.
Tekina?
Yes.
In Kogi State?
Yes, sir.
Oh, why are you into this business?
Well, it was someone that brought this deal to my table, actually.
A deal?
Yes. See
that policeman on blue. Face him.
Okay, it was someone.
That's your brother.
Oh. It was someone that brought this transaction to me, and we started it. So I'm not the masterminder of the whole thing. Someone is behind it, but I am the one that continued from somewhere.
We noticed that they said you have defrauded somebody, one Deborah Woods. How did you meet Deborah Woods, an American national? How did you meet Deborah?
I said, I'm not the one that started this, sir. There was someone else behind it.
Behind it?
Yes, that started the mastermind. Yes, I came part of it, but he started it along the line.
What role do you play? What do you play? Do you play the romance camp? What role do you play?
I came in as a person to start asking for money, requesting for money, but he started.
What's the role of the first person, the mastermind? What's the role?
He started the relationship, the conversation, and all of that, sir.
Okay, how did he convince Deborah? Before Deborah will fall in love, what are the games? What are the pranks?
I had no idea about that, but
you have an idea of your own collecting money. That's the idea you know.
Yes.
So how do you come in to collect money from them? How did they fall?
Well, he approached me and he said this is something that he wants me to get involved. He wants me to get involved. So after I got involved.
Go ahead, please.
So after I got involved and she started remitting money due to the ideas that I have to tell her. Yes.
What are the ideas now? Tell us. See this man now.
For financial assistance.
What did you actually request for? Financial assistance to do what?
Financial assistance to support family.
To support family?
Yes.
And I was told you realized up to $597,000. How did you get that from her?
Well, what I actually got is not up to that amount.
Within 6 weeks, you got $597,000 from Deborah. Within 6 weeks, how did you do it? See them now. Don't look at me. Just they hear my voice. I don't want to see your face. Look at them.
No. I have not. I don't claim that I'm a soldier or a military.
How did you get this money from Deborah? What did you tell her to have carved out?
Financial assistance, like I said earlier, sir.
Hey, financial assistance, and you can hear it is $0.56 million, $0.56 million. $0.56 million. The rumor in town is that there's Yahoo Plus that you jazz them before they cough out money. Is it true?
No.
So what did you use and how did you go about it?
That's what I just told you, sir.
See this man will get beer. He wants to hear you. Talk to this man. This man on black.
I requested for financial assistance to support family. Yes. You said? What kind of financial assistance to support parent and child?
Okay. Yes. How did Deborah pay this money to you instrumentally? To have reached this tone of $597,000.
Actually, it's not up.
The first amount, how much was it?
The first amount was $4,000.
The second?
I can't really remember.
So how many times did you get money from Deborah?
I can't recall, but she sent several times.
Okay, out of this money, how much did you give to the mastermind?
What I gave to him was over $13,000.
Out of 597.
What actually came out was $200,000.
Not 597.
No. But that was the total she sent. But sometimes this money gets.
The thing will hang.
Exactly, sir.
Oh.
Yes.
How? This thing I want to learn how to do it. How do you teach me?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
No, sir.
You have 8 in your compound. They recovered 8 BMW vehicles. You have affinity for BM?
No, I sell cars, so some people do.
You sell cars?
Yeah, I do partnership.
You use the money to purchase cars?
Yes.
And you sell?
Yes.
In Abuja here? Oh, and all is BMW brand?
Yes, sir.
BMW, you love BMW.
That's.
You know, the full meaning is best man on wheel. Best man on wheel. So you love BMW?
Yes.
Oh. How did you get the house you live in?
I bought it from this.
How much did you buy it?
65 million.
Where?
In Gudu.
From whom?
I can't remember his name.
When did you buy the house?
Sometime last year.
Last year?
Yes, sir.
65 million.
Yes, sir.
What's the size of the house?
Like 300. I'm not sure if it's a three bedroom.
3 bedroom.
Yes.
Duplex or bungalow? Terrace.
Yes.
65 million.
Yes.
You paid once?
Twice.
No, there's money.
No.
You big boy. Yes,
I paid twice.
My friend's wife. Yes. Oh yeah, the question is one has. Oh yeah, Ada.
Said I'm not the one that started it.
But you took over now.
Yes, we didn't talk anything concerning romance. No.
Is the other guy that does that?
Yes. Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. Yes, yes.
You are aware that you are deceiving the woman to extort money from her?
Yes, yes.
I am aware.
I am aware.
And yes, he has said it that he used the proceed to get a house. He used the proceed to start car business, and you are selling cars. Anyway,
how many women are involved in this business?
Just one.
It's only Deborah.
Yes.
So it's only Deborah that has covered all this money.
Yes.
Oh, wow. What does he do? What does she do?
Like I said, I had no idea. I just came into.
Oh God.
Sold off everything.
How do you receive money? Do you receive money through our financial institutions in Nigeria? How do you receive your money?
No. So some of those money were sent to a Bitcoin address, and yes, and some were sent to individual accounts.
The IPO told me now that he actually requested for support from Deborah, pretending to be a musician, so that I can grow his entertainment industry. And that's why Deborah sold her property, sold everything she had, sent money to him to support his ministry so that he can be a big hip-hop artist. That's what he actually told Deborah. Not that you actually need help to treat your parents, to give support to the family. That is secondary. The main purpose, how you entered, let me use your common language, how you enter Deborah was that you told Deborah you're a musician and you need her support so that you can grow in the music industry. And Deborah, being who is she, a very clean person, nice woman, believed that she was in love, started selling property. When I got to a stage, no cash, no money again, she went to go and sell so many things and send money to these people. This is one of the major reasons our country has been placed on gray list. The negative message is that foreign investors will be afraid of coming to Nigeria to partner with us and to do business with us. We are saying no to this. The federal government of Nigeria is saying no to this. The Nigeria Police Force is saying no to this. All of us, we are saying no to this because we are giving this country a bad name. The reputation out there is that everybody in Nigeria is a fraudster, whereas it is not. We are hardworking Nigerians. We are brilliant. We use our talent, our brains for good things in Nigeria. So the whole world should know that to support the effort of the Nigerian government to kick against these cyber criminals and protect our cyberspace, the Nigerian Police Force are taking the bull by the horn to make sure that we tackle all forms of cyber crimes in this country.
Yeah, like I say, I'm here for What I could have been. Yes, yes. For the reason for the arrest was, yes.
The mic is not on. Use the mic.
Okay. I'm here. I have been detained here in the NCC National Cybercrime Center for a crime of creating profile. Like I say, I met some people online and asked me that I should help him create 3 profiles for Yusuf Umar, who will continue the verification of the account. But before the creation of the profiles, he first asked me to hand over my money for an account to him, and I did. And after some times, he contacted me to help Yusuf Umar create 3 profiles for him. Only 3 profiles I did create for him, and hand over to Yusuf.
How much have you realized so far from this deal?
Yes. Is it? Is it, sir?
How much have you realized so far from this dirty deal?
Yeah, the payment is not a one-time payment. He paid me...
Cumulatively, can you tell us the rough estimate, total of amount of money you have realized?
Exactly, sir. I couldn't say the...
Okay, but our report here is saying so far you have done the deal of more than 400 million naira.
Yes, just when I hand over my account to him...
So you are a millionaire now?
No, sir. No, sir. Who contacted? Contracted. I met him online. It was
Online?
Yes. He claims to have been from foreign exchange currency company, China.
Is she?
No.
A lady?
Is he? He, yes. So I met him on Facebook.
Okay, gentlemen, we paraded some suspect for a similar offense. It's what great on your children you have sent to school to go and learn computer, to go and be educated, to have Western education, and they turn to criminals like this. It's quite unfortunate. It's a pity, but in our law, things like this, and I think globally, is a criminal offense. Not only limited to Nigerian legal system, that is an offense. It's an offense across the world, and we have the 2 of them here. They are still with us, and I'm sure the center is still working on them, perhaps to get more information. But like we are promised basis at the center here to brief you of the achievements of the National Cybercrime Center of the Nigeria Police Force to see how we can protect or police our cyberspace. The second case I have is arrest of key suspects in $4 million transnational fraud scheme. The Nigeria Police Force National Cybercrime Center has successfully apprehended key members of an organized crime syndicate involved in a $4 million fraud targeting international oil trading firms. The syndicate, allegedly led by Marine Gold Oil Refineries Limited, Eagle Capital Management, and Rich Rise International Corporation, operate across Nigeria, China, and the United States of America, specializing in high-level fraud schemes within the global oil and gas industry. On January 4, 2024, detective arrested one Dr. David Emmanuel Udensik, also known as Dr. Jacob Bello, a Nigerian national from Akwa Ibom State. Udensik is accused of generating fraudulent intelligence reports, forging documents from the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited, and misusing these documents to scam all oil traders, resulting in fraudulent proceeds of $610,000. Following a year-long investigation, operatives of the center arrested Engineer Isaac Jerome Oyakilome, the managing director CEO of Marine Gold, $495 for his company. which has no known physical address. In the course of these arrests, officials recovered several exhibits, including 55 million naira approximately, $33,428.57, asset valued at 370 million naira, multiple electronic devices, and a Toyota Camry vehicle, as the suspects have reportedly confessed to their roles in the criminal operation. Mr. Jerome.
I'm from Edo State.
You are from Edo State, Nigeria?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. You are here, we're told we have been alleged in this transaction. You heard what I read out?
Well, I'm very happy you said it's alleged. And in all sincerity, all the companies listed there are all legitimate companies doing legitimate businesses all over the world.
Okay.
Oil trading is not a scam, sir. Oil trading is not a scam. Unfortunately, monies were paid to Dr. Jacob Bello, who happens to be the person claiming to be the owners of the product. We facilitated the trade. Monies were paid. I had petitioned this matter at Zone 2 before now. I had done that on behalf of the company. And I'm a director of VTrice. VTrice is a legitimate company in the US.
Okay.
Is a legitimate company in Nigeria.
That's all right. This is the IPO of this case. This of the people in the center. All I know is they always carry out scientific investigation here. And for them to have put your case on this press briefing, I know they must have gone far about it. But we are addressing the media today for them to know how far we have gone about our own cases at our hand to make sure we curb some of these online fraudulent acts. The investigation will still continue, but I think the IPO will do due diligence to making sure that they get to the root of this matter. I think that's all right, since the IPO is not even here. Suspect involved in cryptocurrency fraud. Following a filed petition of a cryptocurrency fraud amounting to the sum of $86,000, operatives of the center began investigation leading to the arrest of one Solomon Chidebere Akun Yalam, male, 24-year-old. Investigation further revealed that in April 2024, the suspect, using a foreign phone number, approached the complainant on Binance platform and convinced him for them to continue their conversation on WhatsApp under the guise of offering trading lessons with minimal charges, which he agreed. The suspect then instructed the complainant to enable third-party authentication on his mobile device. Having sent a phishing link disguised as further activation for subscription on a particular application. The unsuspecting victim clicked and activated the link on his device, and his wallet was immediately drained of $86,000. Oga Solomon, $1,000?
No, I didn't do that, sir.
So what did you do?
I don't know anything. There's nothing linking me and this person. It's just an accusation.
Accusation?
Yes.
But
I don't do crypto trades. I don't know this person involved in this case right now.
You don't know him?
Yes.
Okay. And they're even telling me that with this investigation, they have even stumbled on many cases against you. Anyway, one thing I want you to know is that in forensic investigation, every offense committed leaves a trace. And at this center, we are purely scientific about it. They have laboratories where they must have carried out certain analysis on your platform, on your devices, on your person. Oh, he has confessed to those ones. But this particular one, he has not confessed. Where are those ones? Let us know now. You could have told us that these are the cases again that he has confessed to. While you are under investigation, they brought up other cases against you.
Yes.
Yes, and you have confessed to those ones.
It's not
a similar business.
No, it's not been clear. It's
not being cleared.
Yes.
So what did you confess to? What did you?
They are still on the investigation. They are working on the investigation.
What did you confess to?
That I do crypto trades.
You already said you are not doing crypto. Now you say you do crypto and you are confessed to that. Okay, you cannot confuse us there anyway. I know they must have done the needful to get to this matter.
Yeah, there is this was okay, sorry.
The same move forward. The forward. One step forward, march.
There is this WhatsApp group that we buy Facebook from. We buy Facebook and TikTok, then we sell to our customers. The Facebook is that when we buy for the platform, most of them, they come with followers. They come with 0 followers. Then we used to be the one to boost the account for the person to buy. So that is the way we used to do it. When we buy, we sell to our customers.
How much you sell it?
Depends. Some Facebook is empty. We used to sell some 1.5. We used to sell some 15,000, 5,000. Depends on the followers.
$5,000.
5,000 naira.
Naira.
Yes, sir.
Per account.
Why don't you create them? Why don't you create them?
No, there is this WhatsApp group that I join. Each time they post there, I will post on my WhatsApp group. Then also I will ask my friend to help me and repost. So people will contact me from there. Then I will not say to them.
Because you sell to what do you do with those Facebook accounts?
I didn't know.
You don't know?
Yes, sir.
So you just generate and you sell to them. That WhatsApp group, who is the admin? Who created it? How did you join the WhatsApp group?
I'm not here with my phone. There is this group on my phone that I joined.
That WhatsApp, before you join a WhatsApp group, somebody must have invited you to join.
Yeah.
How did you join or why?
One of my friends told me about the group.
What do they do there?
They just post social media platform there. Different type of social media platform. For accounts. For sale.
Is that a genuine business?
I didn't know. It's when they bring me here. That's when I know that it was a cyber crime. Yes, sir.
You don't know?
No, sir.
Are you a graduate?
No, sir.
What's the qualification?
I didn't go to school. I ended up at primary 6. Then I went to I learned POP design. Yes, sir.
Okay. God's time. Is it the same story? You are into it together. So how much, can you tell us how much you've made so far? Can you remember the millions you have realized so far?
Not millions, because I started early 2024 till when they caught me, which is last week Wednesday. So far, so gone, because sometimes we used to lose, because sometimes when we buy the account, before we log in them, they have already suspended. So we now use our money again to buy for the customer. So far, so good.
So when you have noticed that the people have always detected you, first time, second time, why did you continue to do it? Now you are claiming you don't know it's an offense, but you notice that you have sold to somebody and they have blocked, they have suspected something and they are not relating with you again. That's one. Did you give you any signal?
No, the account is that maybe sometimes when I buy the account, before I will log in the accounts, they have already suspended it.
Which is a fraudulent account?
No, it's an empty account with 0 followers. So I will use to be the one to boost the account. So maybe before I log in the account, they have already suspended the account. So I will not use my money again to buy the account for the person.
They are even telling me that there's another platform where you used to boost the thing belonging to a very prominent person. Maybe you are coming back with that prominent name later, not now.
So how much have you made so far?
So far, when I make my calculation, I think it was 200 or something thousand naira.
Are you happy with the way you dealt with people?
Sir?
Are you happy with the way you dealt with people?
Tend to people?
The way you are dealing with people and
Not really, because most times when my customer will write me, like I used to tell you that I did not have an account because the stress and everything.
customers.
The stress is too much.
So, Ife, how old are you?
I'm 25 years.
God's time, how old are you?
I'm 21.
21. So you are not 17, you are not a minor. You are 21. That's good. You are criminally liable under the law. That's God's time, and that is Ife, wealth. Wealth is part of his name, so you want to be wealthy by all means. Involved in cyber manipulation and distribution of deception tools used to enable cyber criminals. You know, say for here, long grammar deal, you need to follow us. We'll share something with you, don't worry, the write-off. On January 21, 2025, operatives of the Nigeria Police National Cybercrime Center arrested one Nelson Olamide Bosun male, 26 years, in Lagos State, involved in the computer-related fraud, distribution of fraudulent digital tools designed for online document forgery, fake bank transactions, cryptocurrency wallet hacking, deep fake live video manipulation, other cyber-enabled fraudulent activities. Cyber forensic investigations revealed that Nelson Olamide Bosun, a computer programmer, operates an online platform known as Ajepako Buti TV. Ajepako Buti TV. Ajepako Buti. Oh, sorry. TV. Okay. Are you a member of the Ajepako? Okay. Which he uses to sell, promote, and advertise cyber deception tools. His operations are conducted across multiple social media platforms, including Instagram, WhatsApp, X, formerly known as Twitter, Threads, and Snapchat, where he connects with internet fraudsters and supplies them with illicit cyber tools, thereby enabling the activities of these cyber criminals. Ajepako Boti.
Nelson.
Nelson what?
Olamide.
Olamide?
Yeah.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 26.
26.
Yeah.
So are you the owner of this Ajepako Boti TV?
Yes, I'm the owner.
What do you do on the platform?
I do a lot of things on the platform. Being a WhatsApp TV, I connect a lot of people and help them buy and sell tools and advertise products.
What are the tools you help them to buy? What are the tools?
So it depends. If you probably have a problem on your phone, could help you run your Apple Music, your iCloud storage, and then being a TV owner with a lot of audience, since we know most of our youths and customers in the country are fraudulent people, and since there are a lot of them on WhatsApp, a lot of youths, a lot of people that will patronize you are people into fraud. I have both fraudulent boys and non-fraudulent, and the majority of them are fraudulent boys. So they are the ones that patronize me the most. So
when fraudulent people patronize you, what did you do as a patriotic Nigerian? What did you do?
Okay, I've been a graduate for over 5 years now, and there's no job. I can build websites. I'm a programmer as well.
You're a programmer, yes, they told us you're a programmer.
I'm a programmer as well. So
why did you choose to use your knowledge in this direction?
No, I don't. I have an idea of it. I buy from people. I buy from people.
But you said you noticed that some of those that patronize you are fraudsters.
Yes.
Yet you still continue dealing with fraudsters. Why?
Because there's nobody to patronize me.
Okay, that's all right. Thank you. Gentlemen of the press, he's been dealing with fraudsters. He's using
Kanu.
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm 33 years old.
33.
Yes.
Are you married?
Yeah, I'm married.
How many wives?
1.
How many children?
3.
So why are you into this business?
No.
Let's use another language. Face. See that man on yellow counter, that Muslim brother. Face him.
Okay. I was.
And face that Alaji. And face him. Alaji versus Alaji.
Okay. I was promised to return Alaji Yusuf money, which is 84 million, which is I failed to return it in time. That is why I'm here.
Mm-hmm. Is that a proper thing to do?
No, sir.
Is it not a crime?
It's a crime, sir.
So why did you do that when you know it's a crime?
Huh? The money, I'm a businessman, I use it. So.
When he was informed that the account of the Chinese, he got the Chinese nationality.
You said?
He quickly returned 80 million.
No, I didn't defraud. It's almost 6 months. 6 months. Yeah. Yeah, 6 months. Yeah.
Anyway, the IPO has revealed so many things here. Out of even the money, he has claimed that he has spent 84 million to treat his mother.
No.
And your friend, the same Paula, only got 70 million. Yeah. And you claim that you used 84 million to treat your mother. Didn't you say so?
Yes, I say so.
Is it your money that you are using to treat your mother?
No, I did not say all.
Okay, thank you. Let's let him go.
Yes, sir.
How much do you know about that?
Abduction is related to kidnapping.
Related to kidnapping.
Yeah.
Okay. And but he never adopted you.
No, sir.
Okay. You claim again that he assaulted you.
Yes, sir.
He did?
No, sir.
No. You claim that he robbed you of $300.
He wasn't present, sir.
He was not present there when that incident happened. So why did you decide to drag him and use his name?
Because as his boys, because he was my ex-boss, so his boys were the same. So that's why I thought might have come from him.
But he was not there as a person.
No, sir.
But you knew those. You were able to identify those who actually did that.
Yes, sir.
Not him.
Not him.
You could have mentioned their names. Why didn't you mention their names?
That's my mistake, sir.
It's not a mistake. It's cyberbullying. Tomorrow now you can call me and look at me. First PRO. You have raped, or you have defied my girl of 10-year-old. That is defamation, criminal defamation, and you continue to bully me. You go on live chat, you go online, and you continue to say it. You are this, you are that, you are this. It's a lesson to all of us because we have been saying it. Don't go online and attack anybody's personality if you are not sure of what you are saying.
Yes.
Now, how do you feel that this matter is done on you? That is a criminal offense in our law in the country. So how do you feel?
I feel very much bad, and now I've seen my mistakes, and I can correct myself and fellow Nigerians that you don't come out to post what you don't have proof of or what you're not sure. I should just go to the nearest police station and report instead of coming online to see any of the words to the person.
Thank you. You have heard him.
No, sir. That was never the intention.
What was the intention of just forcefully or spreading falsehood against this person? What's your mission? What did you want to gain?
I was aiming to get justice because it wasn't the first time I'm being harassed in Lagos. So I was just trying to create awareness and get my justice. But I did it in the wrong way.
You've been harassed before. Have you ever reported to the police?
No, sir.
No. Now that you are aware now that when something is happening to you, you need to speak out and get to the police, report your case, let them assist you instead of coming online and spread falsehood against anybody. Thank you. Your identity theft, computer-related fraud, and money laundering case. Following a well-coordinated intelligence operation, operatives of the National Cybercrime Center arrested one Rabiu Aliyu Salisu alias Rabo, 27 years, male, from Kogi State, involved in identity theft, computer-related fraud, and money laundering. Preliminary investigations revealed that the suspect fraudulently assumed the identity of an American citizen, presenting himself as Matthew Ramsey, with intent to deceive and exploit unsuspecting victims, primarily vulnerable women, in online romance scams. The suspect confessed to defrauding one Deborah Woods, an American national, of $597,000. A subsequent search of his premises led to the confiscation of multiple electronic gadgets which have passed through forensic analysis used in perpetrating these illicit activities, along with 8 BMW vehicles suspected to be proceeds of crime. 8. These items are currently in the police custody. They have been marked exhibits, while efforts are ongoing to trace and identify other victims of this man. Rabiu, alias Rabo.
Company, sir.
Your company?
Yes, sir.
So they call you alias Rabo?
Aliyu.
Yes, your name is Aliyu Rabiu Salisu.